Hey guys, it's Mr.Blais. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do a neat and very simple color photo edit using Pixlr. Free Photoshop equivalent on the web. First thing we need to do is find a photo. So I'm going to type in colorful photo or colorful animal photo. The more specific, the better results. Colorful, how about we learn how to spell? Colorful. Alright, colorful animal. Select images. Now here, once the images show up, I want you to select tools. People don't know about this trick and it helps refine your search. So you have some obvious choices, real, abstract, painting, and so forth. But what I'm looking for is the size. I want them all to be large. So I'm going to select size, then large. If you'd like to refine the color, if you're looking for, like, let's say just a blue animal, you can select the color blue and it filters your results. But let's stick with any color and make sure we're grabbing not a digital art but a photo. So let's go ahead and find a fun one here. I like this image. I'm going to right click and save image to downloads, and then we should have that image. Now I want to go back to Google and type in Pixlr. And once you're here, you select the first result. I'm logged in, but you do not need to log in. Especially at school, we have certain sites that we're allowed to use, so just make sure not to log in. And then you click Pixlr Editor and then Open Image. Select your image, select Upload. Full HD is fine. It's a big photo. Now, here is the image we're going to edit. Yes, there are some ads up here. Most of them are fine. What I want you to notice is the layers window on the right. So when you have layers, you know, like think about a cake, then the frosting on the top. So right now there's only one layer here. I'm going to select Unlock because it says layers and lock position, unlock to enable transformations. So if you want to rotate the picture, resize it, you would not be able to do that without first unlocking. And then the only other tool we really need to find is this lasso tool. For the lasso tool, what I'm going to have you do is understand the four different types of lassos. We have a free lasso, which allows you to kind of scribble the selection. Command or Control D to deselect. A polygon is a more geometric based selection. We have a Bezier. If you click twice and then when you move it, it creates a curve and so forth. Okay, and the last one is a magnetic lasso, which if we were using that one, it kind of sticks to the object that you're selecting. But if you click, you can kind of go off the path. Control D to deselect. So those are your four options. You can play around. Some students find better luck with the free. Magnetic can be nice too. So I'm going to try the magnetic because I have a lot of crazy edges here. So I'm going to select the birds, and to start, you just click with a magnetic. And if you go slow, it does a better job. You go fast, it will kind of have some hiccups, and sometimes if you get a little bit of a wiggly hand, it'll just kind of freak out on you, but don't worry. The slower you go, the better. And as you can see, it's cutting off some feathers. I can always refine this later. We're not going to worry about it too much. It's just a basic edit. But once you get good with selecting and understanding layers, you can really do a lot with Pixlr and or Photoshop. They kind of similar learning curve. You see it kind of hiccup there. And then we're gonna go all the way around right back where we started and click. You know you've got the selection when you see, like I call it, the ants moving. Now, a couple options here. We can make the birds colorful and background black and white, or we can have the background black and white and the birds colorful. So let me show you option one, make the birds black and white. Once the birds are selected, or object, whatever you have, select adjustment, hue and saturation, And then you can move this out of the way so you can see your edit. Saturation is how rich the color is. So here's what happens when I boost it all the way, and now when I reduce it all the way. So this is okay. So you know, if you have a very colorful background, this looks cool, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm just gonna cancel that. But if you wanted to keep it, all you have to do is select apply. So let's say I did do that. Oh, I don't want that now. I don't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna go to edit and undo, or just Control Z. Now, for those who want to leave the background black and white and the birds colorful, that's what I want to do. You have to change your selection. So you go to select and invert. So now you're going to notice the background is selected as well. So now everything but the birds or object will change. Go back to your adjustment layer, hue and saturation, same thing, saturation to the left. Now it makes the birds stand out. That's why I like this way better. Select apply. Now if you go back here and we invert the selection back to just the birds, I'm going to show you one last little extra credit thing, which is fun. Invert selection, so just the birds. And if you go to edit, copy, edit, paste. Oh, let's see, let me try it again here. Sometimes it has a little bit. Try that one more time. All right, so now you can see when I hit edit, copy, edit, paste. Sometimes you have to do Control C for copy or edit copy, and then for paste you can do Control V or edit paste. Sometimes on the web apps work a little bit different. So now I'm going to take this, and now you see I've cloned it. So we can clone animals. And we're going to put these guys over here. They're just like the babies. All right, and you can have fun. You can add, you can Control C. Oh, didn't want that. Have a little fun today. Go with the copy paste. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Just gotta move it. All right, so now we have that. And now something fun we could do is you can go to adjustment, and then you can go to we'll go to temperature and tint. Play around with colors like that, or you can go to back to the hue and saturation and change the hue. All right, play around with the color schemes there. Click apply. I'm going to change this one, hue and saturation. I'm going to go, and now it looks like I have 3 different birds. But here's what I'm talking about, the layers. If I put the background layer above everything, you won't be able to see the other 2 birds. Now if I move the background layer down, I moved the frosting and the cake. That's all I did. Hopefully that analogy will help. Then when you're all done, you click File, Save, label it as Color Photo Edit. Make sure you're on PNG or JPEG. Click Save. And you have 1 of 3 freely daily saves. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that helped you out. And I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you. Take care.